Welcome to our quick guide on how to leave groups on Facebook, updated for the latest app design. If you've ever joined a group for a limited time or simply want to tidy up your feed, leaving is straightforward and only takes a few taps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. From there, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This is the menu you'll use to navigate Facebook's features. Tap it to open the menu. Next, scroll down until you find Groups. This is where all your communities live. Tap Groups to view the list of groups you're a member of and the ones you follow or manage. If you don't see it right away, you might need to expand the menu or use the search at the top to find groups quickly. Now, locate the group you want to leave. Tap on that group to open its page and see the latest posts, announcements, and member activity. Once you're inside the group, look toward the top left corner for a row of options and tap the three dots. These dots open a small menu with administrative actions and preferences for the group. From the options that appear, choose Leave Group. Facebook will ask you to confirm that you want to leave. Confirm your choice and you'll be removed from the group. After you leave, you won't receive new posts or notifications from that group and you won't appear on the member list anymore. If you change your mind later, you can always rejoin the group if it's open to new members or if the admins approve new requests. You can also adjust your notification settings for groups you still belong to, so you only see posts that matter to you. Taking control of your groups helps keep your feed relevant and less cluttered. And that's all there is to it. Leaving a group is a quick way to streamline your Facebook experience without affecting your other connections. If you found this helpful, consider sharing it with someone who's also looking to clean up their group memberships. Thanks for watching.